Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I will share and show about my project. This is my project. You can like this. Thank you very much. Okay. That there is 4 points in here. First point, myself. And second point, my family. And third point, unforgettable moment. And fourth point, my dream. Okay, first point. I will introduce myself. My full name is Muhammad Zaki Najib Mansa, but everyone call me Zaki. I was born June 2007. I think my first love younger than you all. Okay, I have one hobby. I have many hobbies, but I will explain my hobby. My one hobby. It is reading a book. I like it. I like reading a novel or economic book or and another. Yes. A novel I like. Do you know Terry novel? I like it. I like series Ujang. You know? Yes. And I have one leg. It is nervous. Yes. When I come forward and front of you all, I feel nervous. Yes. And I have one. I want to go to Mecca. Yes. Yes. Second point, it is my family. It is my family. It is my father, my mother, and my sibling brother, and it is me. And this is my little brother, my younger brother. Yes. His name is Muhammad Nawal Aji Firmansyah. Same with my name. My name Muhammad Zakian Aji Firmansyah. Same Aji. Okay. And my family always help me to grow up and support me to achieve my dream, my goals, and help me when I fall down, help me to grow up. Okay. And third point is unforgettable moment. Yes. Unforgettable moment. I was in my Islamic boarding school. That is even in my Islamic boarding school. It is junior school and it is senior school. I have been studying in my boarding school for 6 years. Yes. When? Oh, when? Yeah. Junior school, I teach for 3 years, and senior school and 3 years, and Islamic school. His name is Nurul Islam in Mojokerto. Yes. I have one unforgettable moment. It is there is even in there. It was I think I have said to you all. His name is Makarya. It is that evil. Yeah. And that one, first point is my dream. I wanna be a businessman. Amen. Please pray for me, okay?
What business? What business?
I wanna put shop or store. Yes. Or yeah. Yes. Or company, store or shop like that. And because if I think when I will be a businessman, I will have a lot of money. Because money money needs is not everything, but everything needs money. Yes.
Need money.
Effort. Effort. Oh. Oh, and that one I have one unforgettable moment in my Islam Buddhist school. I think you never talk about it because I ever follow do you know Paski Braka? Yes. I think you never talk about it. Yes, I never follow it. I think that's all I can share and so today about my mapping. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.